Meaning of demystify.
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 Demystify. The term demystify refers to the process of making something complicated or difficult to understand, easier to comprehend and simpler to explain. Demystification often involves breaking down complex information into more manageable, accessible components that are easier for people to grasp. As a result, the aim of demystification is to remove the confusion or mystery associated with a particular concept, idea, or practice. Ultimately, the goal of demystification is to promote greater understanding, clarity, and transparency, while empowering individuals and communities to make informed decisions based on accurate information and knowledge.